How to remove or replace a video background in CapCut. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to remove or replace a video in CapCut. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, you can go ahead and open up your CapCut and create a project. For example, this one right here, I have selected this video, and let's say I want to remove the background. For that, you can just go ahead and place your video in this timeline, and once you've placed it, you can just go ahead and select it, and you'll be finding white borders beside it. So once you find that, you'll be finding editing options in the bottom. So just go ahead and look it up, the option called remove background here. On the bottom, you can find that option. This one right here, just go ahead and tap on it, and you can find this option called auto removal. When you tap on it, it will automatically remove the background. So you can also apply the same method in order to remove the background in CapCut. Like for example, it has been removed. Otherwise, if you have used a green screen, what you can do is use up a chroma key in order to pick up the color, and when you pick it up, it will automatically remove the background and replace it with something that you've overlaid. For that, you can just go ahead and tap on this overlay section, add an overlay, and add another video above it. And once you've done that and use the chroma key, it will replace the background as well. So that is how you do it. Following up this method, you can remove up your background in your CapCut as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.